If you've ever needed to reinstall a game or activate it on another platform, you've probably asked yourself, where on Steam do I find my CD key? Well, the steps have changed a little, and that's exactly what I'll show you today. Stay with me till the end so you don't miss a crucial update that most people overlook. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Steam desktop app. If you're not logged in yet, Steam will prompt you immediately. Go ahead and click the login button in the top right corner, enter your username and password, and sign in. Make sure your login info is correct, otherwise your library might not load properly. Once you're inside, head straight to the top navigation bar and click on Library. This is where all your purchased and installed games are stored. Scroll through your list and select the game you want the CD key for. Now here's the part most people miss. Right-click on that game title. A menu will pop up. Choose Manage. Inside this menu, Steam will display different options depending on the game. If the game has a CD key available, you'll see it right here in the Manage section. However, and this is important, don't panic if you don't see any CD key at all. Most modern Steam games no longer use CD keys. Steam's built-in DRM replaces the old system, so keys only appear for older or legacy titles that still rely on external activation. If you're dealing with one of those older games and the key is missing, your best option is to reach out directly to the game's developer or publisher for support. So to recap, open Steam, log in, go to your library, right-click the game, head into Manage, and check for the CD key if the game still uses one. And that's it. Simple, fast, and exactly what you need if you're setting up your game on another platform. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment if you want tutorials on other Steam features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.